Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we're going to discuss about PLUG stock or Plug Power INC. Now if you're looking at this stock, I have been talked about this particular stock for the last in the last couple of months or years rather, and what I personally or specifically like about this this price chart is the trend. Okay, and I rather focus on the big trend instead of talking about how much it's going down, how much it's going up, because if you are looking at the overall trend, you can clearly see the move from the lows of 2013 to the highs of 2021, where the stock has given you a thunderous return of more than 60,000%. And even if you're looking at the correction, it is still giving you 11,000% worth of returns instead of giving correction. Maybe it is painful for you if you are holding this stock from the highs of 2020, because from the top it has already been corrected 80 to 83%. But the problem is, if you're looking at the trend is intact, or this is the good thing. I'm not talking about the problem, this is the good thing. So the question over here is what lies ahead. So if you're looking at the price action, what we're going to look at is 12.3, which is going to be our immediate support, and we're gonna have our stop loss at 7.5 or 7.6. okay, but looking at the price action, it is very clear that 12.2 or 12.3 is not going to fade away very easily, because this was the breakout zone and the stock will respect this level. So anyways, the levels which we are going to look at is 12.3, which is going to be our immediate support, and then we're gonna have our stop loss at 7.6 on the downside. Now talking about the upside, it is very clear that the one level that we are going to look at will be 12.3. So if the stock continues to sustain above 12.3, the two targets that we're going to look at will be 79 and we have $111. So these are going to be the two targets that we are going to look at. I think there is some problem, and that's why it's just all the levels just evaporated, whatever I have drawn. So please do not, so you can go back and check out the levels. Maybe let me draw some of the important levels. So as I was saying, so 12 point, yeah, there are some issues. So as I was saying, 12.3 is something which we are going to look at on the downside. So this is the level. Okay, and talking about the upside, primarily we have two specific targets. Okay, on the upside we have two specific targets, and the targets that I'm talking about is 50.17 and we have 78 or $79. But if the stock, or I think there is one more, okay, this is the extended version, so we have 108 as well. But if the stock started trading above $108, then some big targets will open up, and what we are going to look at are 386, $700, and the big target which will move towards $1,000 or $1,500. So if you think that this is not going to work out, let's wait and see. And I'm not talking about what will happen day after tomorrow. What I'm talking about is, or are the levels which we are probably going to look at if there is a big move beyond $108 in the upcoming months and years. So there is a difference between what you are looking at and what I am saying. So please be very specific about the levels, and if levels works out, we are going to have a big target or big price move on the upside in the upcoming year. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.